as far as making the most of our time together, we will have opportunity for you to jump on your webcam. I love that comment you've made, Hamad, there about, you can have fears about that. In a way, looking at the upside.
So if you can go ahead and download that, that will give you the full functionality of Adobe Connect.
You can put it in the general chat there, or raise your hand. Okay, waiting on a couple of votes for poll 3, and let's give them 30 seconds.
Initiatives within the team, and like I said earlier on, this is a direct responsibility of the team.
Team C's findings will all fall into Team 4.